Welcome back to our channel. Today we bring you an important weather update from the South African Weather Service. As cold fronts continue to sweep across the country, several regions are bracing for severe weather conditions, including storm surges, heavy downpours, and even snow.
Okay, I'll go around quickly, see if I can help him as well.
Let's dive into the details of these forecasts and the impact-based warnings issued to help you stay prepared and safe. The city of Cape Town, Drakenstein, and Stellenbosch municipalities are under an orange level 6 warning for disruptive rain, leading to flooding and possible mudslides. This means residents should be on high alert for potential hazards and take necessary precautions. A yellow level 4 warning has been issued for disruptive rain over the west coast, northern parts of the Cape Winelands, and western parts of Overberg districts. This could lead to flooding and damage to roads and bridges, so please stay informed and avoid travel in these areas if possible. The central and eastern parts of the Western Cape, as well as the southern parts of the Namakwa District Municipality in the Northern Cape, are under a yellow level 4 warning for damaging winds. These winds can cause damage to property, create difficult driving conditions, and lead to communication and power interruptions. Be cautious of flying debris, which can cause injuries. Damaging winds and waves are expected between Port Edwards and Durban, and between Lambert's Bay and Cape Akelhus. This yellow level 4 warning indicates potential disruption of small harbors and ports, risk to small and medium vessels of dragging anchors, and danger to life from large waves along coastal routes and communities. Mariners and coastal residents should be particularly vigilant. An orange level 6 warning has been issued for damaging waves between Table Bay and Struze Bay. These waves pose a significant risk to coastal infrastructure and activities, so avoid the coastline during this period. Between Cape Akelhus and Plettenberg Bay, a yellow level 4 warning for damaging waves could lead to difficulty in navigation at sea. Mariners should exercise extreme caution. For the region between Plettenberg Bay and East London, a yellow level 6 warning for a storm surge is expected. This could result in flooding of low-lying coastal areas and disruptions to beachfront activities. Stay clear of affected areas and avoid unnecessary travel. Between East London and Mossel Bay, a yellow level 4 warning for a storm surge could lead to localized flooding of low-lying coastal areas and disruptions to beachfront activities. Take necessary precautions to protect your property and avoid the coast. In the western and central interiors of the Eastern Cape, a yellow level 2 warning for damaging winds has been issued. These winds can result in property damage, difficult driving conditions, and communication and power interruptions. Stay indoors and secure loose items outside. In the western half of the Eastern Cape, morning frost is expected over the interior, with partly cloudy and cool conditions. Isolated rain is forecast along the south coast and adjacent interior. The wind along the coast will be fresh to strong northwesterly, turning westerly in the afternoon. In the eastern half of the province, cloudy and cold conditions are expected, with morning snowfalls north of the escarpment. Otherwise, it will be fine and cool. The wind along the coast will be moderate to fresh westerly, becoming northeasterly north of the Quaymouth in the afternoon. KwaZulu-Natal will experience fine and cool weather, but it will be cold in places in the west. The wind along the coast will be light to moderate westerly to northwesterly until the morning. Later, it will turn moderate to fresh northerly to northeasterly, becoming strong in the south and spreading northwards by late afternoon. In Gauteng, the weather will be fine and cold. The expected UVB sunburn index is high, so take necessary precautions if you're spending time outdoors. Mpumalanga and Limpopo will also experience fine and cold to cool temperatures. The northwest can expect fine and cold conditions with morning frost. In the Free State, Fine and cold conditions with morning frost are forecast, but light snow and showers are expected in the far south, where it will be partly cloudy. The Northern Cape will be fine and cold in the eastern parts of the province, with cool temperatures in the north. Cloudy and extremely cold conditions are forecast for the rest of the province, with isolated showers and rain in the southern interior, where snowfalls are likely. The wind along the coast will be moderate to fresh southwesterly, becoming light and variable from the afternoon.